In this video, you will learn how to get your pay stubs from Walmart. First, log in. Log into the One Walmart portal. Go to the One Walmart portal using your Walmart identification number, or WIN, and your password. Navigate to the My Money section and select pay stubs to view your earnings. Use the Me at Walmart mobile app. Download and open the Me at Walmart app and log in using your WIN and your password. Then tap the pay icon to view your pay stubs. Access. Use the company kiosk located in the store break room or personal area. Log in with your WIN and password to view and print your pay stub. Request your HR department. Ask your store's HR department if you need any extra assistance, either if you've forgotten your password or your WIN number, or even they can print off your pay stubs. Check your emails. Sometimes Walmart sends your pay stub summaries to your email. Make sure to check your inbox or even your spam folder. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.